Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Brian.
I'm sure you'll do fine. Hello, I'm Freddie. I'm here to help you in your endeavors. Okay, good. Take a seat. Hi, how are you? Everyone, listen up. To celebrate it nearly being 10 years of Wario 1, I will start my own chocolate company. To prove how good it is, I will try a Wario chocolate part. What is this? What is this? You have won a golden cardboard, and you will get a look inside Wario's factory. I have a bad feeling about this.
We talked about this. We'll just simply go into the factory to be polite or something like that. I can't remember why. And then we'll see what happens.
Okay, I guess you're right.
That's the spirit. You know what? Yeah, maybe we just put our heads down and just kind of hope for it to be over.
Someone's coming.
Wario, I welcome you to the factory of doom. Wario says you can come in and experience all the delicious goodies of Wario's factory. Come with Wario. Wario says, take a look at the last pieces of light. Wow!
Wow, how impressive. What the? How is place even holding up?
Come with Wario, and you'll be in a world of Wario's gallic imagination. Take a step, and Wario invites you into his world of pure destruction. Come with him right this way, and if you run, you'll be trapped.
Great, so we are trapped.
Wario says, no interrupting his song. Want to be in paradise? You follow Wario. Wario says, follow here. Wario says, come over here. Wario says, this mushroom is 100% healthy. Wario says, you found Boogeyman. Wario says, this is a giant McDonald's burger. Wario, really proud of his burgers. Wario says, that demonic hand.
Are you going to save him, Wario?
Not a chance.
Wario says,
Help. Police. Murder.
Wario get many Wario workers to color this up. Wario says, on with Paul.
Okay, let's follow Wario.
Wario says, this way for more of the toll.
Where are we going now, Wario?
Wario says he has forgotten. Not worry, Wario can find it.
This is going to take a while.
It feels like we've been doing this forever. Or at least we've been here forever. Wario has found it. Move it!
What is this?
Wario says, you're in the garlic room where garlic is made. Wario will pick one of his visitors to look at Wario's special garlic and see who is worthy. Wario will summon you to come up and see if you're worthy to touch the garlic.
What just happened?
Wario says she was not worthy to touch Wario's special garlic. Wario welcomes you to where the magic starts. Wario says Uni's is the best burgers from 1950 and Wario's favourite things. Like Wario's Lucky Cooper. Wario says, look over there. Wah, wah, wah. There's someone there.
Where? What was that for, Wario?
Wario says she fell in. Wario says she was not being careful.
No, she didn't.
He'll give you some of his special candy if you are still upset. Come, now Wario will give you a special tour.
This place looks like a hazard.
Wario says, look at the place. Wario says that's his best manager of all time. Wario says they work very hard ever since they fell in the Wario van.
I see.
Wario lose. Wario says you're gonna pay. Wario says the germs give food special taste as it does. Wario says this minecart leads nowhere. Wario says it totally doesn't lead to Wario's secret factory. Are we already in your quote-unquote secret factory? Wario says shush.
Why is there a giant computer?
Wario says this computer will make you the face of McDonald's. If Wario likes it, you will be on every McDonald's product Wario makes. See? Now you there, have a look.
Are you gonna get him out?
No, Wario wait until computer crash, then Wario will have his computer reset. And will he still be alive after the computer resets, Wario? Wario says no. Wario says he will be gone forever, meaning Wario can make more faces for McDonald's.
Great!
Wario says you have won, and now Wario will show you his secret room. Yeah. Wario, and I'll show you inside. Wario says, take a look. Wario says he has everything from his fridge to his private pool.
What is in here? Elmo? What even is going on?
Wario says. Actually, yes, what do you have to say? Wario says you will discover the dark truth. Now Wario will kill you. Oh, great. Run, go.
Oh no. Run.
Okay, let's go. Okay, it's on. Don't worry, we're going to escape.
Yes. Goodbye, Wario.
Phew, we're out. Wario's gonna stop you. Wario says, stay still.
Yeah, we escaped.
Wow, Wario fell in. Oh my. Well, I think that's the last we'll see of him. Oh, for now, at least. Oh, great. Because of this thing has no controls, we're stuck up here until it crashes, meaning we're gonna die either way.
Wait, we can't get down. Oh well, that's just great.
And we're all gonna die.